guys, it's Andrea. I'm back with another taste test. I got this from snacks.com. I'll link them down below in the description box. We have Smartfood Cool Ranch Doritos flavored popcorn. Now, I also ordered these, which I've ordered many times, and it's freaking delicious. I got it from snacks.com too, because my grocery store never carries these flavors. This one, 4 out of 5. Full disclosure, I'm not a Cool Ranch fan kind of gal. So, take that in consideration with my rating. I don't smell anything. Pretty good. Better than the Dorito Cool Ranch. It tastes like ranch. Pretty good. Not as good as the nacho or the white cheddar. The white cheddar smart ones, I want to say 5 out of 5. Nacho, 4 out of 5. Cool Ranch, 3 out of 5. I would eat more. I wouldn't buy it again for myself. That's why it's got a 3. What do you guys think? Give me a thumbs up if you like the video, guys. Subscribe if you like to watch taste tests. See you at the next.